Leman Russ Executioner and Demolisher Squadron arrive for the Solar Auxilia. Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Solar Auxilia, Leman Russ Executioner, and Demolisher Squadron for Warhammer the Horus Heresy, Legions Imperialis tabletop game of epic scale combat. Yes, this box is 8 epic scale miniatures. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support, as well as everybody here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. Big thank yous to you all. So, Leman Russ Executioner, Demolisher Squadron. So this is 8 models that can be configured as Demolishers or Executioners. I think that is really darn cool. Let's have a look at the back of the box. We have all 8. Looks like we got 4 done up as the Demolishers and 4 done up as the Executioners. Very, very cool. Comes with a transfer sheet. Very, very nice. Yeah, really, really cool. I like these photos here in the back. Give you an impression of, you know, the size of the model you're going to get, as they are in 100% scale. So I think that is really, really cool in the back of the box. I think pretty much every release should do that, where you have a one-to-one image of the completed model on the back of the box, so that people have no illusions once they assemble and put the models together, and you know, and it's like, oh, I thought it'd be bigger, or oh, I thought this was for the 28mm game. I thought I was getting a really great deal on 8 Leman Russ tanks for Warhammer 40,000, when in fact it's epic. You know what I mean? Like, it's that kind of stuff. I know there's nobody out there making that mistake, I'm sure, but you know, I think you guys all get my meaning here. So let's get the Blade of Destiny here. Yes, and this box was supplied to me all cellophaned up, and I'm a very happy little boy when that occurs. I'm happy. I'm happy. You know what? That's what this hobby is all about. It's about happiness and possibly a little bit of ASMR as well. All right, here we go. Peeling off that shrink wrap. Take 1. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. See if we can get a better one. Right here, right here. Here we go. Oh, that wasn't bad either. I like when you get that nice long, you know, sound. Yeah, I like that. Oh, get in there. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. There we go. We're in. We're in. Like. All right, let's dive into the box. Open her up, and yes, of course, yes, Chris is happy because there's little tabs on the box. I know it's a stupid thing to like, but you know what? I'm kind of a dummy, so you know. We are first greeted by the instruction guide, and it is a simple paper fold-out instruction. In fact, geez, it only feels like 1 sheet. It is. It's only 1 sheet. Put the hulls together. Put all the doodads in. What are these called? The trench guards. Is that what they are? And then we get the Executioner or Plasma Demolisher guns, lascannon or heavy bolters, sponsons. You get either stubbers or just dooders. Don't they usually come with like storm bolters as well? What about the side sponsons? There's no side sponsons? Guess you don't get them. Guess you don't get the sides. No side order of sponsons. Get the transfer sheet. It's pretty much the same thing. Yeah, Solar Auxilia vehicle transfer sheet has, you know, the Saturnine Rams and the Ash Scorpions, the Death. Yeah, so yeah, it's all pretty much the same stuff there. We have 2 frames. Are they identical? They are identical. Yeah, they're identical. Stamped 2024. So, without further delay, let's have a closer look at this frame. Because, well, it's duplicate, so we don't have to have a look at one of them. But anyway, let's have a look, and possibly, oh, I don't know, you know, that thing where we possibly get one lodged up our nose. Yeah, we'll do that thing. Alrighty, here we are looking at the Leman Russ frame. We're just looking at the one because they're duplicates. Love all the detail. Like, that's really, really impressive stuff. Like, you can see the gas caps. Right? You can see the handles. Like, there's tons and tons of detail in these models. Like, even just doing all the rivets on the hull and everything like that. Like, that's craziness. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, it's very, very cool. Yeah, what are these called? Trench guards? something like that. It's like so the tank when it's going over trench lines and stuff like that, that doesn't fall in kind of thing. Isn't that what it's for? That's what it's for, isn't it? That's what somebody told me, wasn't it? Somebody mentioned that at some point. Let's have a look at the backside. Yeah. Very, very cool. Now, also, why are the Imperial Guard, Astra Militarum, Solar Auxilia, why are there tanks named after Space Marine Primarchs? Leman Russ, Rogaldorn, right? Why is that? Is there a Lionel Johnson? Is that another tank? Is it a tank that you don't see? It's hidden? It's a secret tank? Possible. You never know. Oh yeah, let's have a sniff at what Leman Russ smells like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, I mean, it's an Executioner and Demolisher. I mean, you know, you're not playing around with that combo. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That is our look at the Leman Russ Executioner Demolisher Squadron for the Solar Auxilia in Warhammer the Horus Heresy Legions Imperialis, the game of epic scale combat. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support, as well as all you brand new ones. And a big thank you to everybody here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. If you're not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing the video up, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell, all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple of clicks of a button, and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a painting tutorial. Maybe a live stream. Maybe even a battle report. Maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. Just maybe. Okay, bye.